This is a story about a group of friends and their home, the forest.
Okay, you can look now. Here it is, our own hideout. It's awesome. Well, go on. Go inside and take a look.
It's not dangerous, is it?
They said they'll pay us twice as much if we clear the way for the new road.
You mean you want us to cut down the trees?
Yes, that's exactly what you're going to do.
The danger gets closer and closer.
We're all gonna end up as firewood.
We have to do something.
And they will.
This is Devondo scared of ghosts.
But it won't be enough.
Stupid vermin! I'll cut down the trees myself!
You must leave the forest.
Join them on a wild adventure filled with action, excitement,
Don't give up, Woody. Don't give up.
and laughs.
Oh, this is so much fun. I can't stand it.
In a terrifyingly fun movie.